Hi, I'm Johanna Ingram with Herald Studio located in downtown Phoenix, where you can have fun learning how to make your own jewelry. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to sell or recycle your old jewelry. We'll start off with the selling first. There are a couple of tips that I think you should know before going in to try and sell a piece of jewelry. One of them is that you should probably know what the weight of your piece is. The second would be what the stamp, there should usually be a stamp giving your metal value on the piece. This is a gold chain and it's stamped 14K. What that means is that 58.5% of the metal in this chain is actually gold. So when you bring it in to sell to someone, they'll only offer you something that's less than 60% of the weight that they get from that chain. The second tip I would have for anybody who's going in to sell something is just to check around with a few different places, because you may get different values for the pieces that you bring in. Moving on to recycling old jewelry, you could take your piece in to a jeweler and have them change the design if it's outdated for you. You could also bring it in to me at Herald Studio and I can show you how to melt it down and turn it into something new. Thanks for watching How to Sell or Recycle Your Old Jewelry. I'm Johanna Ingram with Herald Studio, and for more information on me or the studio, please visit my bio. Thank you.